Hi friends, Miss Cedarquist here with a new video. We're going to talk today about solving systems of equations using the elimination method. This is the third method that you're learning how to solve systems of equations. For those of you who are in my class, this goes on page 20 of your interactive notebook. Our language acquisition objective is to explain how to find the solution of a system of equations using elimination, using academic vocabulary. And our essential question is, how do you use elimination to solve a system of linear equations? All right, here are our steps for solving a system using the elimination method. First of all, the elimination method is a way to solve a system of linear equations by adding the equations together to eliminate a variable. So step one, we're first going to write the equations in standard form. So that the x and y variables line up if we need to. Step two, we are going to add the equations in order to eliminate a variable. Then once that variable that is eliminated is gone, we are going to solve for the variable that's left over, that remains. After we have solved for the variable that remains, we are going to substitute the value back in to find the other variable. And then just like we did in graphing and in substitution, we always need to write our answer as an ordered pair.